Hey cartoon friends, so today we're going to draw a bear and a fish. All right, so if you can, just pause the screen for now and follow along this rough. It's just a circle as a head and then a tiny body and little balls for the hand, another oval there, oval for the fish, and then we'll get caught up on the next part. So I'm going to let you do that now. Okay, welcome back. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish up this bear drawing, okay? We're just gonna use marker or pencil crayons, whatever you want to clean it up, and then we'll color it after, okay? So I'm gonna start with this cheek over here, sorry, the side of the head here. I'm gonna go thin and then make it a little bit thicker on the way down. So thin and then a little bit thicker on the way down, okay? And then the ear, thicker on this part, and then wrap it around and then down. Okay, I'm gonna turn the paper a bit and then lighten this up, not as bold. Okay, and then the ear. Okay, and then the line over here, I'm gonna go thin and then start getting thicker over there. The arm, okay, just an oval. And this arm on this side, just shaped like this, okay? And then I can wrap this part, the side of the head, to that. And here, a little bit thicker because it's coming down. Okay. Okay. Now the body. Let's see. So I know I had it straight there, but I'm gonna curve it a tad. Over here, I'm gonna curve it. And the lower part of the body goes like that. And then, let's see, the end of the fishing pole. Let's start here and then come all the way down. Same thing here. Like that. Okay. Just touching that side up a bit. Do the foot over here, the back foot. And a little bit thicker on the way down and then curve it around. The inside line is thinner. And then just curve that. And then thin, and it gets a little thicker on the way bottom, at the bottom. And wrap that line around. Shirt, definitely thinner, so go real light. Same thing here, light. Great. Get this to a point if you can. Okay, and then right here, thin. Over here, thin. Okay. Okay. Now the hat. Curve that around. Thin lines on the inside. Okay. Thin lines here. Thin line here. Great. And then the hair. So thin, thick, a little bit, and then thin. Thin, thick, and then thin. Okay. Oh, looks like my marker's drying up here. Probably have to get a new one very soon. That's okay. Just the eyes. And the brows. Okay. Doing this little island that he's on. Okay, these lines in here in the face, they're quite small, so I'm gonna use a different marker for that. Just easier. Let's see. Okay, great. Now, the fish. So we'll do the string or the line. And the fish lip. And down. Same thing. Down. Then, and it gets a little bit thicker at the bottom there. Okay, we'll get the eye. So I am going to give it some highlights, the eye. Okay, nice. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to try the blue for the water. There's the lines for the water. Nope. Okay. Maybe some drops there. Okay, so I think that's it for the line there. Sorry, the cleanup drawing of this. What I'm going to do is erase it, or erase the pencil lines underneath, and then color it. All right, let's see how that looks. That's pretty good. And I may give the shirt greens. So I'm just testing out. I have these like neon colored, I guess, Crayola markers. So I'm just gonna see how they look. Because sometimes it's good to do the, you know, the outline, or if he's wearing like a lined shirt, sometimes I like using these markers. So I'm gonna try it, and if it works out, great. If it doesn't, oh well. So we'll see that. Okay. And then I'll color these in here too. Okay. Okay. That's kind of cool. Then what I'll do is I'll just color this in green. Oh, I forgot something. So this part of the cheek, kind of, that's okay. All right, so let's color the rest of the shirt in. So just a lighter green. That's kind of cool, actually. The marker, so you can kind of see how that looks. The marker really kind of pops it a bit. So I like doing that for shirts and stuff like that. Just coloring them in. I mean, there's no, whatever color you want to use for the bear, that's totally up to you. So, yeah, I think it's coming along. It's actually quite nice. I'll probably use that same color for the mouth area. And I gotta remember the cheeks. I seem to be forgetting the cheeks. I don't know why, but I end up forgetting them. So I will add them first so I do not forget. All right, so let's go here. Right there, about there. Same thing on this side. Just adding little lines like that. All right, let's get back to the browns. Oh, what was that? Oh well. All right, so we'll do that. So if this is your first time checking this out, I do have a foam board underneath my drawings that smooths out my crayons. It helps. So if you are using like pencil crayons or something like that, sometimes these nice little craft foam boards are very, very nice underneath. Okay, I'm gonna add some lighter color for the inside of the ear, side two. Put some darker brown for the brow. Maybe start giving some shadows or some shade underneath there. This side I'm gonna go a little bit darker, so this might change it up a bit. So let's see. Don't know if it's gonna be too much, but whatever. Cheek again. I'm gonna do the hat. Let's see. Should I match? Yeah, I probably should match a bit, right? Where's that green? Okay, I'm gonna fill it in. And then the fish, maybe orangey, or maybe like let's see how that's gonna look. We'll just try. Maybe some pink lips. It's cute. And I wonder if this will show up. I don't know. Let's see. It's kind of cool. Ooh, dots, little fish. Right, now I'm going to add the little island that he's on. And a little shadow. Nice, and I got to finish the little fishing rod. So I have to find hopefully a different color than the actual bear. So I'm just darkening this up. And I'll lighten it up over here. So I don't want to make it look exactly like the bear, but it's still brown. But yeah. Just adding little details on it. Make sure it looks like wood or something like that. And then maybe little kind of bear kind of paws. Cute. I'll darken this area here. Darken that. And I think that's it. All right. High five, friends. Hope you enjoyed it. Have fun. Bye. Oh, forgot to sign it. All right. Bye.